Welcome back everybody to day 4 of our summer sketches. Today we're going to draw an adorable little bunny using the number 3. All right, so let's start here with our number 3 right in the center, nice and big, number 3. I'm gonna grab my pencil to do the details. So I'll start with the face. We're gonna give her a nice eye here and an eye there. Give a nose and pull down for the cute little bunny face. And I'm gonna give her some eyelashes. Next we'll draw the arm, a little out and back, and the foot there. Let's do the ears next. Come up, over, and down. Up, over, and down. And we're gonna do the same thing in the middle. Up, over, and down. And can't forget that cute little cottontail. So this bunny is going to be holding something. Can you guess what this bunny will be holding? Let's see if you can guess as I draw it. We're going to come out and down. Any guesses? It's a carrot. Of course the bunny's holding a carrot, right? I'm going to give the carrot some nice lines here so it looks realistic, of course. All right, now we're ready to outline. Outline this carrot and the arm and foot. Look at the cute little toes. And I'll do the face. Get the ears outlined and the tail. Okay, so I'm gonna erase a couple things here before we color it. First, we'll do, of course, an orange carrot. However, there are different colored carrots around. If they're heirloom carrots, it can be purple or white. Ours is gonna be orange and a nice green top. And you guys, when I was a little girl, I had a bunny named Dusty, and she was white and had gray little specks all over her. She looked dusty, that's why we named her. And there you have it. I can't wait to see you draw your very own bunny. And don't forget to join us tomorrow for our next drawing.